Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could change that top category, which says all, to be more unique and specific to your brand without any custom code. It's a little bit hidden, but I'm going to show you how you could find it and make the change on your site. Okay, so here we are on my demo website, and when I click on shop, it'll take me to this page, and we have these two books that we sell. So when I'm here on this page and I click on books, it will take me into this page here, and it shows, hey, I have all these books or whatever. But if you want to go back to all, it gives you this option. It's like a breadcrumb here that gives you this option. Now, the spacing on this page is not the best. We could work on that. But this all option, if you want to change that so it says something else, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing we're going to do is click on pages, and then we're going to find our store. Usually it has a little cart icon by it like that. Then we're going to click on the settings wheel. So the settings wheel right here, and then we're at the right page. So here we're at store settings and we're at general. We'll scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll see this section here. Top category name. This will be the parent category for all of the items in your store. To organize items into subcategories, go to the category settings tab, which we could look at in a moment. But instead of saying all, you could say products or store or whatever you like, to be able to change all to whatever text makes most sense. Like all services, if you want to be more specific, or everything that you offer on your site. So for this, I'm going to do all products, perfect, and then go from there. Now, if you need to adjust categories, you could click on the categories here, and then you come in here, add, adjust, rename, all of that good stuff. You could just come in here. I believe you could add categories here. Yep. So you just start typing something in, new category, and then you just hit add, boom, it'll add it in. And then from there, if you need to edit it, make any adjustments, you can. You could add a subcategory under it. So subcategory here. Perfect. And then you could easily click these 6 little dots and then drag it to where you want. Now, the one thing with this drag feature is you have to drag it like in the middle and then put it where you want. So if I put it over clothing, it's going to be a subcategory in clothing. But if I just want to go in between clothing and books, I'll get that black line. So here, accessories will go in between. But if I want accessories to be part of clothing, well, I just drag it till it's gray, let go, and then you'll see it'll be indented. So the way it's indented shows you how it works. I'll hit save. So here you'll see there's only 3 top level categories. But if I click on clothing, it'll take me to these like subcategories. So it says all products now, and then it says accessories here. Now, let me go back. If you further want to customize this, which I'm not going to go into depth in this video, you'll just click edit. And then on this section here, you'll hit edit section. And then here it gives you a bunch of options for how you could organize this page and how you have it set up, all of that. So here, there's 2 columns for products, show pricing, category type. Right now it's at the top. This is where you could adjust it further. You could do this title, and then you could do sidebar. So you can have it set up as a sidebar there, show the title, whatever you like. There's a few ways you could organize this. What's cool about the sidebar in this case, I think, is, let me hit save. If you hit, this is where it's showing like all products. So if you had this set up originally, it would have just had all, but now it says all products, or it could just say products in general, any of that. But if you hit new category, well, it's going to show you the subcategories underneath it. So it's pretty cool. The layout is really nice, and it's all like built in. What's cool about this as well is if I go to shop, you're going to see all these categories are popping up here as well. So the structure of this is really important and valuable for your site. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.